You know what? I like it dim. I like it dark. Yes, I do have crystal lamps. Oh my god, I can't like think in the mornings. Oh, I look like I'm in a music video. Even though the stars are crazy, even though the stars are blind, if you show me real love, baby. Wait, hold on. Even though the stars are blind, if you show me real love, baby, I'll show you mine. Wanting to be a model. Y'all, I'm gonna be a model. Oh, I almost fell. Cannot stand when my hair looks like that. For the remainder of the week, it is Wednesday right now. Wednesday at about 9 o'clock. I have been seeing this trend go around on YouTube, and there's pros and there's cons to it. It's called like that girl trend, like becoming that girl. Ain't nobody I want to become but myself. Okay, let's just get that right. I'm not trying to become nobody. I'm not trying to be that girl. I already am that girl. I am that woman, but a better version of myself. And that is the takeaway from this whole trend, right? I want to be a better version of me, a more healthier version of me, a more productive version of me. For the remainder of the week and probably like the weekend, I am going to try and be that woman, be myself but better. So I'm gonna jump in the shower. I'm gonna show you guys a breakfast that I love to make. It's just like potatoes. It's like potatoes. It's really yummy, you guys. It's really yummy. It's like southern, like kind of soaking early, bro. I literally don't get up till like at least 7:50 or 8:15. So we're gonna try and do like 5:50. We're gonna try colder showers. Gonna drink lots of water. I'll show you guys what's going down. I'm so nervous because this is very much the opposite of like who I am, but it has health benefits. I'm willing to put myself through this. Show you how this shower goes. I can already tell you I'm gonna hate this. Cold water action. So I just got out of the shower. Oh my goodness. At first I was like, I am going to hate this. This is awful. I literally love my showers to be borderline burning, right? Hey, look. I don't have to do something that I don't want to do. I don't have to suffer through something. I was using the hate word, like, I hate cold water. I'm gonna hate this shower, and I love taking showers, and I love water. So it's not that big of a deal. I turned on the water, and I put it to a comfortable setting that I'm okay with. It was pretty chilly for me. Have y'all ever tried to shave in a chilly shower? Yeah, it was tricky. We're just rolling with the punches. A part of becoming that woman that I want to implement, that I kind of, like I said, I kind of already do this stuff, is being more eco-friendly, sustainability, planet conscious, and just really doing what I can and doing my part to take care of this planet and the world that we live on. Routine that I have every single morning, I use Bite toothpaste. And they're not sponsoring me for this. They're not paying me for this. Like, they just genuinely sent me some stuff because I wanted to try it out. And I fell in love with this brand. And I fell in love with their products. So here, I am due for a new toothbrush. This is Bio Bristles, made from 100% castor bean oil, plant-based toothbrush. Soft bristles that's gentle on your gums but tough enough to take on plaque and surface stains. Bite Cocoa Mango 62 toothpaste bits, cruelty-free and zero waste, in a glass little jar. This one's the one I usually use, is the naturally whitening toothpaste. And as you guys can see, I literally do this every day. I eat 2 of them in the morning, 2 at night, brush my teeth. And I'm running so low, oh my god. Quickly and run through the steps to becoming that woman, right? I found something on the line. So number 1 says go on a walk every day. Number 2 says eat more fruits and vegetables. Number 3 is find a signature scent, which I already have my signature scents. Find your taste of music. I already have my taste of music. Cut or dye your hair. Try a hard class. So I'm thinking maybe tonight we'll do like a yoga class. I do have like my pinched nerve in my back, or like back pain and like ailments going on, so we're not gonna push ourselves too hard. That's part of becoming that woman, knowing your limits and not pushing over your limits, right? We don't want to overexert ourselves and hurt ourselves. Know your body. Go on Pinterest, find clothes you like. Okay, save up your money to buy your dream wardrobe. I did the Marie Kondo. I like my wardrobe the way it is, and I don't have much and I don't need any more. I'm okay with my wardrobe. So maybe I'll go through my wardrobe and I'll find clothes to donate. That's what we'll do. Read more books. We will, I have audiobooks that I have to read or finish. Actually, I have like 3 or 4 of them that are just like halfway through that I need to like make a sad playlist so you're prepared for anything. The sad playlist is the soundtrack of my life. And then it says buy a bikini, which, okay, I can buy a bikini, right? Leave a toxic relationship. What are these? What? Anyway, stop eating junk food, which, first of all, I'm never gonna stop eating junk food. Let's be real. But I can find alternatives. So, alternative junk food eating, right? Okay. Healthy junk food eating. Okay. Compliment other girls. I do that every single day. Not a problem. Forget about boys. You don't need them. Why are these even in my list? Why are these even in the list, bro? Who made this list? Then ask them out. I'm leaving all type of dating, boys, men, dudes, guys out of this equation. Now it's 10:09 and it's about to be 10:10. Oh my god, it'd be like every time I do this in the kitchen. I'm telling you, the synchronicities are real. I did a little light makeup, like a tiny bit of makeup. I finished journaling. I don't know why the cheeks look so rosy. Maybe because I'm starting to get a headache. I'm so full. I finished all my fruit. I finished all my potatoes. I feel like I need to kind of just lay down right now. My head is starting to pound, so I think deodorant ball. Like at least a quick 20-minute meditation. Just lay down. Like wrote down a lot of stuff that I kind of now just want to like go, you know, when like you write with a pencil really hard and then like you're like, oh, I messed up, like let me erase it. So like you erase it, but like you still see that pencil mark, you still see like the writing, so you go over another time to just erase it. That's kind of what I want to do right now. I do gotta do kind of like a workout or yoga like I said, but I gotta clean my room. My room got a little bit messy, a little just like cluttery. It's not messy, it's just like clutter. But this headache is really, it's hitting right here. 25-30 minute meditation, I feel so much better. I feel so much better, and we're back. We are back in action, okay? So I think the next thing I'm going to do is I think I'm gonna go get ice cream for myself and take a walk with Nico. And he's so much work to take a bath. Oh, it's so much work. But I think I'm just gonna put on a cute little outfit, go get some ice cream. Then after, I'm gonna go take him a bath and then come home. And I'm hoping that it doesn't take longer than maybe like an hour and 20 minutes. Let's just get up and go. Let's go. Okay. I don't know where I last left off. Took Nico a bath, came home. I literally just finished, let me tell you guys. So I don't, is it dark in here? Holy orange. I don't, this is a nectarine, I guess, look. It's not fuzzy like a peach, it's like smooth. I just like to do tarot, right? And so I got back, and like 20 minutes later, I was like, you know what? I have all 3 of my decks here. Let me just pull a couple cards. So I'm shuffling, they're flying out, and tell me how I got 3 Empress cards from 3 different decks. So I go, oh my god, that's so weird, right? I got these 3 Empresses from 3 different decks clarifying each other. So I'm like, that's so weird, that's so weird. So I pull out my last type of tarot deck. I only have 4 tarot decks that I use. I take out my Brit's Third Eye and I go, oh my god. And I literally did this for Instagram. I did put this up on Instagram, which I don't normally do. I don't post anything to do with like my readings and stuff. But it was just so weird. So I am shuffling or whatever, and I'm like asking the universe, I'm like, give me a couple cards, whatever. But I'm thinking in my head, like, if I get this Empress card again, that's just crazy. That's just crazy, right? There's no way that I'm gonna get this Empress card from the 4th deck along with these 3 Empress cards, right? I got the Empress card for the 4th time from a different deck. I got the Empress card for the 4th time. It flew out with another card, and I just left it, and I turned on my camera and I said, y'all, you got the Empress card again. That's so weird. I don't even know, maybe that's a sign that I'm doing something right. Scary stuff. Scary. Not scary in like a bad way though, scary in a good way. Felt good to be the Empress times 4. Ouch. Wash my face, just one quick wash, and then we're gonna do a face mask, and then we're gonna paint these nails. And I'm just gonna paint my nails. It's been a while since I had polish on my nails. I wanted to let them breathe a little bit, and I kind of like doing my own nails, so yeah, save that coin, do them yourself. I have a lot of nail polish options. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. 40, I'll do some yoga. I've been feeling very tight and achy and all that fun stuff, right? My head is actually really pounding, so I might take Advil. Well, not all the time, honestly, but I use this as my face mask. What am I saying? I use this as my go-to face mask. It looks really interesting, but I like how it gets my skin like super clean feeling. Maybe go to bed at like 10 That's so early. Oh, that's so early for me. I usually don't fall asleep till like 1. My eye looks so scary. I can't take myself seriously right now. Where's my hair? Oh, there she go. Decorate your home, give a gift, appreciate art for yourself. Didn't even say hi, I didn't even show my face, I'm sorry. Oh, my baggage fading safely, and my ecstasy for me won't let them stray too far. Oh, wait, I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna get to painting. I gotta take a picture. I'll see y'all in a sec. Yeah. Look at her makeup. That's like my favorite part of painting people, is just doing their makeup. Anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures for the gram before it gets dark out here. I'm gonna put this on pause, probably return to that later on during the week. And I gotta eat some dinner because I'm so